Hi guys, Denise, Tilesporcelain Limited up in the northeast. Just thought I would show you a bit of the brown collection that we've got. I will be basing these on an individual tile, but just to show you from now basically the collection. So we've got a Lexa black here. As you can see, it's a dark brown which has got the creamy colour and goldy colour veins in. Very, very unique on that particular one. 1200, 600 tile. Bigger the tile again, the more spacious look you're going to get in your area. Gives you a massive spacious look in a smaller area. In the brown collection, we've also got this one, the Frappuccino brown. Very, very different. Absolutely beautiful tile. You can see it's got the marble effect going through it again. And it's got like the different patterns on, the different shades of brown on that one. Very different to the Lexa in the brown collection. We've also got this one here, again, very, very, very different. The Marquina bronze tile. As you can see, you've got like coffee colours in this one. You've got white colours. You've got the veins in there that can give it a marble look. You've got, again, porcelain. You can put these on a wall, you can put these on a floor. Because they're porcelain, they're not too heavy for a wall. Got to use the correct adhesive. You've got to use a rapid set flexible adhesive. It's all about the grabbing the stick. These can be, like I say, walls and floors and, well, anywhere you want them. Bathrooms, kitchen, hallways, dining rooms, bedrooms even. Anywhere you want. Polished to give you that exclusive luxury tile effect. All in stock here, based in Langley Moor in the northeast. You can have them within 2 to 3 working days on a nationwide delivery. Ship them abroad if you've got a holiday home. Absolutely fantastic for a holiday home. We will deliver to a shipping agent in the UK and then you could export them yourself or even collect them from here in our warehouse in Langley Moor. Adhesive, grouts, everything we stock surrounding your tiling project. And again, to get them delivered with your tile, one-stop shop. Absolutely fabulous, 2 to 3 days. Ring our sales team, 0191 429 0279 or www.tilesporcelain.co.uk. We have a shopping basket on there, you can place your order through there. Give us a ring, 5% discount code at checkout as well. Have a good day, guys.
Using card 5.